Cyber threats today are more sophisticated than ever, and even one breach can devastate a business. From ransomware to phishing, the risks are high, and so are the costs. As James Palmisano, president and CTO of iServe, puts it, cybersecurity is not just a tech issue, it's a business imperative. And he's right. Statistics show that 60% of small companies shut down within 6 months of a cyber attack, proof that staying proactive is crucial. A cybersecurity assessment checklist is a powerful way to get ahead of these risks. It guides organizations in identifying their vulnerabilities, assessing the impact of various threats, and staying compliant with industry standards. This checklist covers areas like network security, data protection, and user access management. It pushes businesses to review security policies and train employees on their critical role in preventing breaches. Steps to follow include gathering documentation, assessing all security measures, and prioritizing any gaps. For example, unpatched software is one of the biggest vulnerabilities, causing up to 60% of breaches. Addressing critical gaps first, like patching software and managing permissions, can make a significant difference. Regular assessments bring big benefits, from reducing breach risks by up to 70% to helping you comply with frameworks like GDPR and HIPAA. They can even improve incident response preparedness, allowing teams to respond quickly and limit the impact if an attack occurs. Companies with a solid incident response plan can save over $1 million in average breach costs. To learn more, visit our website to read the full article. And don't forget to add this to your Spotify playlist for more insights.